Hello, artists. Kamran here, set for a delightful drawing experience. Grab your tools, and let's focus on creating a charming nest together. Start with a rounded shape as the base for the nest. Add some intricate details to represent twigs and branches, forming a cozy structure. Now, let's infuse some character into it. Enhance your nest by sketching a few eggs and nestled inside. You can experiment with the number and placement to make it more visually appealing. Add some leaves or feathers to give your nest a natural and inviting feel. Feel free to play with colors. Nests can have various shades, so let your creativity soar. Whether you choose earthy tones or a burst of vibrant hues, let it reflect your artistic style. Share your nest drawings in the comments. I'm eager to see your artistic interpretations. If you enjoyed this quick artistic journey, consider subscribing for more drawing inspiration. Keep those creative vibes flowing, and I look forward to witnessing the imaginative wonders you'll craft with your nest drawings.